Did you know there's a woman in the Bible who was literally tricked into marriage with a man who didn't want her? Her name was Leah, and her story will break your heart. Jacob worked 7 years to marry Rachel, the beautiful sister. But on the wedding night, their father switched the brides. Jacob woke up married to Leah instead, the one he never chose. Imagine the pain. Your husband looks at you every day wishing you were someone else. So Leah did what many women do. She tried to earn his love by having children. With each son, she desperately named them, hoping this time Jacob would finally love her. But here's the twist that changes everything. While Rachel struggled to have children, Leah became the mother of Judah, the bloodline that would lead to Jesus. When Jacob died, guess who was buried beside him? Not Rachel, Leah. God saw the overlooked woman and gave her the greatest honor in history. Sometimes what feels like rejection is actually God positioning you for something greater. Your pain today might be preparing you for your purpose tomorrow.